See here, what it is? It is a circle, right? Is the surface what we can call it is curved surface or a plane surface. So now what I'm doing here, just I'm making a part here. Now look at this. What you see?
Sir,
A part of circle.
Circle.
Suppose it is a three-dimensional, yes, hemisphere. How do you see that? Simply, as you see here, just a second, I will change the shape of this object. So here simply, you made a part from which it is from the sphere, right? From a sphere, if you make a part, how do you get that like this? Here, see, it is having something deep in or not? Yes, it has a depth to something deep inside. What about this surface? Yes, it is bulged surface, right? This is called bulged surface, and this depth or deep inside is there, that we can call it as curved inwards. Just imagine like a coconut shell. So you can see inside surface, bulged surface. So this is bulged surface, and this is inwards, curved inwards. Right? Suppose if I made this with a glass here, if I made this glass, this is what totally transparent. Yes, this arrangement will become transparent, is it? Yes. Here simply what I am doing, just I have how many surfaces? I have two surfaces. What they are namely? One is bulged surface and the other is curved inward surface. Both are curved surfaces only, but differently we are naming them. One is curved inward, one is bulged outward. Okay. Here, just to make it this glass surface as a mirror, what I have to apply here? To make this glass surface as a mirror surface, I need to apply
silver paint,
silver or aluminum coating. Here, suppose if that curved surface is like this, right? Then you have that same shape, no problem. I show you here with a wide area. Okay, so this is what? Bulged out surface. This is inward surface. Clear? Is it clear? If it is clear, what we will do? Just we will apply that metal coating on one of the surface. Suppose that coating of the metal on the inward surface, right? Here this surface I am going to apply the metal coating. Then if you focus the light on the bulged out surface, what happens?
reflected.
It will reflect back like this. Yes. So here, if you focus light, we will do one thing. To avoid the loss of this coating, what we'll do, just we will apply painting on it to protect that metal coating. Right? So now it is completely protected with opaque substance. So here this surface is what now? Opaque surface. Inside you have metal coating, outside you have any paint to give safety for that. Scratches, not scratch, not removed. That layer is protected. Okay. Here now it is opaque. What happens if you focus light on it? Will it enter through it?
No, sir.
No. Okay, will it reflect back?
Yes.
Yes, it reflects, but
Sir, that
not
exactly
as
reflect.
much as observed here. From any surface, it can reflect back. So here we are not considering that. So we can say not reflected. Okay. So this we can consider as opaque surface. This we can consider as outer surface. Another side, what you have that this surface is said to be reflecting surface. Is it clear to you both?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you got two surfaces for the mirror. Yes. One is opaque and the other is reflecting. Right. Which surface is reflecting surface is here? Bulged out or curved inward? Bulged out. So this bulged out surface is what? Convex surface. This curved inward surface is what?
Concave surface.
Concave surface. Right? Which surface is acting like reflecting surface? Is it convex or concave?
Convex surface.
So this mirror is called convex mirror. Then you can imagine how the concave mirror will be. Can you draw that on the screen? Just you have a chance now on the screen. Draw it. I'll open new page. Draw the concave mirror. I want this mirror.
Concave.
Can you draw for me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can try.
So this is a reflect.
That what you are shading.
Sir, that silver paint.
Coated means it is made as opaque surface or reflecting surface.
Reflecting surface. Sir, no opaque surface.
It is opaque surface. What about this surface?
Reflecting surface.
Which surface is acting like reflecting surface?
Sir, inward.
Inward. That surface is what, namely?
Concave.
Concave. So this is concave mirror. Yes. So now you are able to draw the concave mirror and convex mirror without any confusion. So here look at, I will draw that concave mirror and convex mirror symbolically. Right? So just a second, I will remove the portion what I want. Yes. Do you see two surfaces now? Left side one surface is there, right side one surface is there. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So here, just what I am doing here, I am shading its surfaces. So these are the symbols of mirror. Can you name these two mirrors? What is left one? What is right one?
The left one concave, right one convex.
Why you are selected this as concave?
Sir, the reflecting surface is inward and the
Very
coated
good.
surface is outward.
What about this one?
Sir, the
Outward
reflecting
surface. So what the mirror is?
convex.
Convex. No confusion, right?